Hello students, welcome to Anjana's Maths class. Today I will teach you decimals, multiplication and division. So look here, the first question 6.375 into 10. So how will you write it? 6.375. Okay, then divide by, if you will put here 1000, then this point will goes off. Okay, this point will be cancelled. To come up from this point, इस point को हटाने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Divide by 1000. Point के बाद 3 नंबर है 375. 3 digits are here after the decimal point. So put here 1000. Okay, this point will be cancelled. So you can write this in this way also. 6375. Here decimal will be cancelled if you put here 1000. Okay, into 10. So 1010, this 0 will be cancelled. Then what will be your answer? 2 zeros are here. So point will be before 2 numbers from the right side, right to left. Okay, from right to left. These things I have taught you earlier. 63.75. So you can also, there will be another method also. If here is point and if here is 10, means 1 0, then point will be shift to right side if here is multiplication. Okay, so you can assume this way also. If point is here and here is only 1 0, so 10. So if there is multiplication sign, अगर multiplication sign है और 10 है तो point एक नंबर के पीछे आएगा from left to right. फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट जाएगा ये, ठीक है ना, यहाँ से यहाँ आएगा. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगा और डिवीजन में राइट टू लेफ्ट होगा पॉइंट. तो ये चीज़ याद रखना है और ये कैसे होता है ये करके भी दिखाया है हमने, ठीक है ना. सो आंसर इक्वल टू 63.75. नाउ लुक हियर द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. When you will put here, you have to put here 1000 to cancel the decimal point. Decimal को बाहर निकलने के लिए 1000 put करना पड़ेगा. Point के बाद 3 नंबर है. So decimal will be out. Into 100. Cancel this 20 with this 20. Okay. Now what will be your answer? Here is only 10. So divide by 10. So point will be here 2635.5. ओके, अगर हम ऐसा भी करेंगे, यहाँ से डायरेक्ट आप कर सकते हैं. कैसे? दिस इज 100. सो पॉइंट विल बी शिफ्ट टू 1 2 हियर. सी, ये हमने करके दिखाया. अगर नहीं भी करेंगे तो डायरेक्ट करने से भी होगा. यू कैन पुट इट हियर डायरेक्ट. इफ देयर इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, 2 zeros are here, move from left to right. In division, move from right to left. So remember these things. Okay. Now let us do another one. Now look here, 0.93 into 0.84. So you just do the simple multiplication. Okay, simple multiplication. 4 3 12, 4 9 36 37, 8 3 24, 8 9 72 73 74. Okay, 4 3 12 2 1 9 4 36 37. So 8 3 24 4 2 carry 8 9 72 73 72. Then 2 here, 7 4 is 11, 1 1 here, then 4 4 is 8 and 7. Now look here, 1 minute. After decimal, see, look here, after decimal 2 digit, and here after decimal again 2 digit, means total 4 digit. Okay, so where will be your decimal? 1 2 3 4. So before 4 digit you put here. Okay, before 4 digit your decimal will be here, and your answer is equal to 0.7812. Okay, now look here, 11.11 into 1.1 and into 0.1. So you first take these two numbers. Okay, 11.11 into 1.1, and the answer you will get multiply with this. ठीक है ना? तो कैसे करेंगे इसको? 11.11 into 1.1. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 1. Again multiply with this number, 1 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 this. So now you add this one. So 1 2 2 2 1. So where will be your point? After point here 2 decimal, and after point here 1 decimal. So total here is, after decimal 3 digit. Okay, after decimal 3 digits. Here 2, here 1. So this 2, before this 3, sorry, 1 2 3 digits, your point will be here, 1 2 3. So answer equal to 12.221. Okay, so before 3 digits. Now, oh sorry, again you have to multiply with this number 0.1. So to continue with this, you have to continue with this. Again 0.1 is here. So 1 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2, again 2 2 1. Now where will be your point? Here after 3 digits are here after decimal. Decimal के बाद 3 नंबर, यहाँ पे decimal के बाद एक तो 4, तो 1 2 3 4. So आपका आंसर ये होगा. So answer equal to this. Okay. So आपका आंसर ये होगा. यहाँ पॉइंट के बाद 3, यहाँ पॉइंट के बाद 1, so 4. So 1 2 3 4 से पहले. This is your answer. Okay. Now look here. So 27.75 divided by 10. How will you do? You have to cancel this point. So 75 divided by 100. Okay, again divide by, sorry, into 1 by. Now look here, to cancel this point, so we have to divide by 100. Okay, this is divide by 10, to cancel this point into 1 by 100. So this will be same equal to 2775 by 1000. Now where will your point will be? Here, before 3 numbers. 30 before 3 numbers. So 2.775 is your answer. Okay. Now let us do the next one. Now look here, 80.75 divide by 100. So 87.5 divide by 100 is this. So 0.75, to cancel this point into 1 by 100. Means we are dividing by 100 again to cancel this point. So what will your answer now? 4 zeros are here. 2 0 here, 2 0 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer will be 0.8075. Okay. Your answer will be this. Now let us do another one. Now see how will you divide 12.48 by 4. This is 12.48 and you just divide by 4 here. Now 4 3s are 12. Here is point, so put point here. Then 4 1 4. So 4 1 will be 4. 0. Now here bring here 8. So it will be here 4 to 8. So the answer will be okay. Now let us do another one. Now look here, divide 0.392 by 8. So how will you divide it? By 8. So first look here, 0. So here will be 0 point. Then 3 is not divisible by 8. So again 0 will be here. So now you take these two numbers. Okay, 39. So 8 5s are 40. So you can't take it. 8 4s are 32. So take this number. Okay. Then again subtract it. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8. So 1 minute. So I was wrong. This is not 8. This is 2. Okay. So now 9 minus 2 is 7. You bring here, put it down 2 here. So 8 9s are 72. So your answer is 0.049. So don't be confused with such sums. You just put here 0, then point is here. 3 is not divisible by 8. So again 0 will be here. And now take these two numbers 39. So 8 4 32, subtract it 72, you will get, take this 2 down, then you will get 72, and so 8 9 72. So this is your answer. Let us do the last one. Now look here, divide 3.48 by 0.6. So what you have to do? 8. Wait 1 minute. Now let us do this last term. Divide 3.48 by 0.6. You have to cancel these two decimal points. So what will you do? first 3.48 and 0.6. Okay, you have to cancel both these decimal points. So 3.48, sorry, cancel this one, no decimal is here, and 6. So what will you do to cancel this decimal point? You put here 100, okay, and put this decimal point you put here 10. So both two are the decimal points are cancelled. Now what will you do? Cancel this with this. Then what will you get? Ultimately here is 10. So 34.8 divided by 6. Okay, here is 10, so 34.8 divided by 6. Now you divide this one, 34.8 divided by 6. So 6 5s are how much? 30. Then minus it. 4 point will be here 8. So 6 8s are 48. So answer equal to 5.8. Okay, both the numbers have decimal point. You have to cancel both the decimal point, and ultimately you will get this 34.8 because here is 10. So you will get this one, and then divide it. It will be easy for you. Okay. So students, please practice more sums at your home, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe it.